The weather is warming up and it's time to refresh those strawberry planters. This one has been out all winter and it needs some love. So we're going to show you today how to transplant them out and separate them when they grow double like this. So what I normally do when I'm taking them out is I take a knife and I just cut straight down. I gently pull them up, okay? You can see that this pocket grew 2 plants. So what we're going to do is loosen the soil, separate the roots. Take your time, try not to rip it too much. Okay, so now we have 2 strawberry plants and we're going to plant them in a fresh planter with fresh soil. So for us here in Zone 7, we're a little bit behind in doing this. Probably should have done it about a month ago. In your area, just try to get them early spring before they've gotten up and gotten happy. When 2 of them have grown in the pocket, when they've duplicated, it's best for the nutrition that you do get them separated. They'll produce better if there's just 1 per pocket. So just like with bare roots, you want to add amendments to the new soil before you plant your refurbished plants. So just like with our fresh bare roots, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna not bury the crown. So we're gonna dig a trench in the new fresh soil, put the roots down in there, kind of spread them out a little bit, keeping your crown above the soil line. And there they are in their new home. So this is what we do when the plants have become overcrowded and they need to be separated. They're much happier when they're in their own pocket. They get rejuvenated just like a brand new strawberry plant. So another way that you can refurbish your planter, if it's not overcrowded, is to just simply pull off, cut out all the dead and dying, and then use granular fertilizer and put like a measured amount, a tablespoon maybe, behind the plant and kind of mix it down into the soil. And when it's watered, that's going to leach down. We hope these tips will help. We're very excited to see what our harvest is going to be like. We hope yours is going to be great too. Happy gardening!